In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live stream to WordPress with OBS Studio. By the end, you'll have your WordPress site receiving a live feed directly from OBS using WP Stream as the bridge. We'll move carefully, keep things secure, and make sure your audience can watch without a hitch. First, make sure the WP Stream plugins are installed and activated in your WordPress dashboard. These add the live streaming capability to your site and create the tools you'll use to manage channels. Once they're active, you're ready to set up your first broadcast point. Head to the WP Stream section in your WordPress admin, then open Free to View Live Channels and add a new stream. Give it a clear title so you can easily identify it later. Publish it to generate the channel and its associated settings. This creates the destination your OBS feed will push to. After publishing, go to the channel's settings page. Turn the channel on so it's ready to receive a signal. You'll now see a server URL and a stream key. Copy both and store them somewhere safe for the next steps. Treat your stream key like a password. Anyone with it can broadcast to your channel, so never share it publicly. Now switch over to OBS Studio and click the settings button in the lower right. In the settings window, open the stream tab. In the service dropdown, check if WP Stream appears as a built-in option. If it does, select it for the most straightforward setup. If it isn't listed, choose custom or custom streaming server, which lets you paste your own credentials. Paste the server URL you copied from your WordPress channel page into the server field in OBS, then paste the stream key into the stream key field. Double check there are no extra spaces when you paste. Click apply, then OK to save these settings so OBS knows exactly where to send your broadcast. Before you go live, build your scene in OBS. In the sources area, add your video capture device for your camera, your audio input for your microphone, and any other media like images or a screen share. Watch the audio meters to make sure your levels are healthy and not clipping. This is also a good time to frame your shot and confirm everything looks and sounds the way you expect. Back in WordPress, confirm your channel is still turned on. Then in OBS, click Start Streaming. Within a short moment, your live player on WordPress should update and display your feed. When you're finished, click Stop Streaming in OBS. That ends the broadcast from your computer, and your WordPress channel will stop receiving the feed. That's it. You've connected OBS Studio to WordPress and completed a live stream using WP Stream.